In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called converting degrees to radians and radians to degrees, problem type 1. We're given two conversions here. First, negative 60 degrees to radians, then 3 pi halves radians to degrees. In order to do either of these conversions, we need to know a conversion factor. And so I have here a unit circle which has a radius of 1, and starting at the positive x-axis, if I were to go all the way around the unit circle, the angle from beginning to ending would be 360 degrees, and going all the way around would be 2 pi, meaning that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. I can also tell that going halfway around would be 180 degrees, and half of a unit circle would be pi radians. Using this as my conversion factor, if 180 degrees equals pi radians, then our conversion here for part A, we start with negative 60 degrees. Using the fact that 180 degrees is pi radians as a conversion factor, I would want the 180 degrees to be in the denominator and pi radians in the numerator. So we're essentially multiplying by 1 because the numerator pi radians is the same as 180 degrees, but doing this multiplication means that our degree units will cancel. 60 and 180 will also simplify. 60 goes into 60 once, and 60 goes into 180 3 times. Now that we've canceled, we have a negative pi radians in the numerator, and in the denominator just the 3. So negative 60 degrees is negative pi thirds radians. And for B, we're going in the opposite direction, starting with 3 pi halves radians. I can set up my conversion factor the other way around. Since I want the radians to cancel, I'll put the pi radians in the denominator and its equivalent 180 degrees in the numerator. This way the radians units cancel, the pi's cancel. I could also cross cancel 2 goes into 2 once, and 180 90 times, leaving 3 times 90 degrees, or 270 degrees in the numerator. The denominator is just 1, so we can leave this 270 degrees. And for any of these conversions, we can use the conversion factor that says 180 degrees is equal to pi radians.